I knew the US would be, is recognized abroad for its great education system. So I would be able to go to other countries with the degree I get from the US and be able to work. I'm currently learning business analytics, and I like that it has both business and a little computer stuff, so it's both business and information systems. So I'm able to draw insight from data and tell the business what would be the best decision for their future operations. So I particularly enjoy my Python class, Python programming. When I'm working on those assignments, I don't see the time pass. So I just work and then I'm like, oh, 1 hour, 2 hours have already passed. And I like working on with programming and Python. When I first came into FAU, English is not my first language and I didn't have any specific ESL classes. So when I first came into FAU, it was difficult, but over time I was able to learn more of English and be able to talk to people. And also I am very shy, so being able to talk to other people, I have grown exceptionally. Since also I work on campus, so I work with people, being able to talk to students, that's something that I've never thought I would be able to do, especially in a foreign language. But now I'm able to do it, and that's something exceptional for me.